I've learned attitude, the resource, and the theology part of it. Hey, every youth should get this. A resource is the word of God that we need to have. When we are really passing through a situation, the word of God is always there. And theology part of it, it is also the word of God. So this theology, it will help me in the worship ministry. The word of God is power. So this word of God carries the power to heal, the power to do everything. The art book of survivors met my expectations because it has all a minister would love to have in life of Christianity.